Hey, have you heard the news? RPM 3.0 is finally here.
No way! I loved the previous version, but I can't wait to see what they've come up with this time.
Trust me, this is not the RPM you knew and loved. It's a whole new beast entirely. They've introduced amazing features that will blow your mind.
What's so special about RPM 3.0?
Well, they've introduced a revolutionary auto tag technology that sets it apart from anything we've seen before. With RPM 3.0, you can have a complete system set up without ever having to edit a single thing. It's all done for you automatically.
That sounds incredible, but how does it benefit us?
That's the best part. RPM 3.0 incorporates a unique affiliate marketing system. With just one main link, you can tap into dozens of income streams. Imagine earning from multiple sources without the hassle of managing them individually. It's like having your own money-making machine.
Wow, that's game-changing. I need to check this out. How can we learn more about RPM 3.0?
It's simple. Just click on the link in the first comment and watch the full demo. You'll see firsthand how RPM 3.0 can transform your income potential and take your online business to new heights.
I'm sold. I'm heading straight to the link now. I can't wait to see how RPM 3.0 can revolutionize my income streams.
Are you ready to take your online business to the next level? Discover the incredible features of RPM 3.0 and unlock new income streams with ease. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Watch the full demo by clicking the link in the first comment now.